ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद इसमें हम देख इन दिस वी वर सीइंग पेज 399 टीका। In the last line, Samprati Vidya Phalam Aha. What is the topic going on? Topic is all the Indriyas, they understood that their strength, their Vratam is not enough to keep Mrityu away. Mrityoho Varanaya Asmad Vratani Na Paryaptani. Our Vratam is not enough. Mrityu will take over us. Therefore, they became one with prana. Then they were good. And that prana had chalanatmaka karma and prakashatmaka. So, indriyas also, their chalanam is followed by prana chalanam, movement of prana. In this way, they have that karma also. Prakashatma, indriya prakashanam. Vastu Vishaya prakashanam. For prana, how will we see, how will we understand prakashanam? Without prana, anvay vyatireka you will have to do. Without prana, Vishaya prakashanam is not enough or not possible. Therefore, prana will have Vishaya prakashana samarthyam. Mukhya prana directly does not do Vishaya prakashana. Mukhya prana will allow indriyas to do Vishaya prakashana, allow manaha to do Vishaya prakashana in this way. So mukhya prana has chalanam as its mukhya karma and prakashanam is paramparagata. And indriya prakashanam is mukhya karma and chalanam is paramparaya. Samprati vidya phalam aha. Now what is the phalam of this upasana? In Bhashya, second last line. य एवं प्राणात्मतां सर्वकरणानां वेत्ति प्राण शब्दाभिधेयत्वं च तेन हवाव तेनैव विदुषा तत्कुलम आचक्षते लौकिकाः. य एवं प्राणात्मतां वेत्ति, the one who knows prana is atma of what? Sarvakarananam. Sarvakarananam pranatmatam vetti upasate. And prana shabda vidheyatvancha. Prana shabda vidheyatvam sarvakarananam. All indriyas, they are also called as prana. That is this. Prana shabda abhideyatvam. They are referred by the word prana. Means just knowing is not enough. You have to do that upasana. That indriyas don't have their swatantra samarthyam as far as functioning is concerned without prana. This upasana will create mahatma buddhi for prana. This is what is required here. Like any individual, when they are part of some samashti and they are using the powers of samashti, with the help of that, they are able to do so many things. Like some public officials, on their own, they don't have satta. Because they are in that position, they are empowered to do all those things. So when a Vyashti connects itself with Samashti, how they get all the powers? Like that here also, Indriyas, when they are connected with Prana, then they get their abilities. Tena havava, tenaiva vidusha, tatkulam achakshate. Tena vava, vava. So indeed, certainly, tenaiva tatkulam achakshate. Tenaiva vidusha. By that, upasaka laukikaha tatkulam achakshate. Entire kulam is known by this person because he has done sadhana. He has done upasana. Laukikaha means for those people who have upasana pradhana, for them. Not other people, those who don't give importance to upasana, they will probably not know. यस्मिन् कुले स विद्वान् जातो भवति तत्कुलं विद्वन् नाम्नैव प्रथितं भवति अमुष्य इदं कुलम इति. In Tika it is given tadeva spashtayati. So that is explained further. Yasmin kule sa vidwan jato bhavati. In whichever kula this vidwan jato bhavati means not that as a vidwan he is utpanna. After he is born he does upasana. Tat kulam vidwan namnaiva prathitam. That entire kulam is known by the name of this vidwan. Like many times we feel, like I always think that Ramchandraji. So Ramchandraji was born, he was Paramatma, but the Kula name is Raghu Kula. Raghu Maharaj must be so great that entire Kulam is known by Raghu Kula, not Dasharatha Kula or any other name. Other Maharajas were there, but his name, the whole lineage, even people who were there before and after, all are known by Raghu. So like that, this Vidwan, when they do Upasana, then Kulam is known by that. Kulam Pavitram Janini Kritartha Vasundhara. Vasundhara Punyavati Chatena. Then Linam. Linam. So there also the one who dwells on Brahma, then Kulam Pavitram. Whole Kula is considered Pavitra. The one who has Brahmatma Chintanam. Yatha Tapatya iti. Drishtanta is given, Tapatya. What is Tapatya? Tika. Tapati Surya Suta. Tasya Vamshaha Tapatya. Surya Putri is there. Her name is Tapati. Surya Suta. In Tippani number 10, it is explained. Tapati Surya Suta iti, it should be not ini. Surya Suteti. Sacha Samvarana Rajapatni Kuroscha Mata इति महाभारते प्रसिद्धम। सूर्यसुता इज संवर्ण राजपत्नी एंड कुरोः माता, तथा च कुरुवंश एव तापत्यवंश इति भावः। सो कुरुवंश is known as तापत्यवंश। सी तपति सूर्यसुता, तस्या वंशः तापत्यः, वंश is कुरुवंश, कुरुवंश is called तापत्यवंश। कस्य इदं फलम् इति उक्ते पूर्वोक्तमेव स्फुटयति। कस्य इदं फलम्, who will get this phalam? य एवं यथोक्तं वेद वागादीनां प्राणरूपतां प्राणाख्यात्वं च तस्य एतत् फलम्। य एवं यथोक्तं वेद, the one who knows, veda means upasate, the one who does this upasana, vagadinang pranarupatam pranakhyattvam cha, that vagadi indriya, they are pranarupa and they are known also as prana, pranakhyatvam, pranakhya samasa vigraha, how you will do? Then प्राण आख्या येषाम, केषाम, वागादीनाम, ते वागादयः प्राणाख्याः, तस्य भाव प्राणाख्यात्वम् च तस्य एतत् फलम्, तस्य उपासकस्य एतत् फलम्। न केवलं विद्यायाः यथोक्तमेव फलम् किन्तु फलान्तरम् अपि अस्ति इत्याह। विद्यायाः न केवलं यथोक्तम् एव फलम्, इन दिस वे यू हैव टू डू अन्वय। विद्यायाः यथोक्तम् एव केवलं फलं न, किंतु फलांतरम अपि अस्ति, बट फलांतरम इज आल्सो देयर। व्हाट इज दैट? अन्य फलम। किंच यह कश्चित् उ हैवं विदा प्राणात्मदर्शिना स्पर्धते तत्प्रतिपक्षी सन सो अस्मिन्नेव शरीरे अनुशुष्यति शोषम उपगच्छति। किंच एंड मोर ओवर यह कश्चित् ऊह एवं विदा तृतीय ऑफ एवं विदा प्राणात्मदर्शिना, with such upasaka who is pranatmadarshi, with that person tritiya spardhate means tat pratipakshi san, pratipakshi bhavati, he will become virodhi. See, Bade Maharaj Ji has made it very clear. Irshyati, the one who will have irsha. Then what will happen? So asminneva sharire anushusyati. He will, in this body itself, will get dried up. Anushusyati, 4 number. Asahya klesham prapnoti. Shosham upagacchati. So this happens when somebody is upasaka and you become jealous of them. Irsha is there. Your body will get affected. You will go through lot of santapa. Asahya klesham. That person has done upasana. So never ever get into this spardha that this person is like this, I will do more. Why? Anushusyati, shosham upagacchati. Because we don't know how much is their upasana. We don't know their jnanam. Nothing we will know. So we should not do this. This is like how Vali had the Vardhan. Anybody who will oppose Vali, half of their strength will go to Vali. So what is the point? We should not have this kind of pratipakshi bhava. Somebody is good, very good. I am very happy with their whatever that they are doing. And I will try my best. That's all. There is no spardha that this person has this much, I also should do. Why this? Shosham upagacchati. अनुशुष्य ह एव शोषम गत्वा एव अंततो अन्ते म्रियते न सहसा अनुपद्रुतो म्रियत इति एवं उक्तम. Having become dried up means having gone through lot of klesha, then what will happen? Anushushya eva shosham gatva antato ante mriyate. Thereafter he will die. In 6 number tippani it is given, yatha asanga papma rupo mrutyuhu pranam prapya pradvamsate. Asanga papma rupo. This you remember I explained yesterday that papa, when it attacked the asuras, when they attacked in the form of asanga attachment, when they attacked the prana, they themselves died. Nothing happened to prana. Tadvat. Na sahasa means anupadruto mriyate. Not quickly he will die. Anupadruto mriyate. Na sahasa means not suddenly. Gradually means gradual death. Everybody knows that this is more painful. Gradually I am suffering. Then I go. Why? So we should not have this. Main point is don't get into spardha. And in spiritual sadhana, anyway, it is not spardha that who is greater or everybody is walking on their path. I am on my path. इति एवं उक्तम अध्यात्मम प्राणात्म दर्शनम. हाँ, टीका. इति, so first प्राणविदा सह स्पर्धा न कर्तव्या इति भाव. With the pranavid, pranupasaka, one should not do spardha. Now we don't know who is prana upasaka and how much upasana they do. Or you say any upasaka who has samashti bhavana. Ishwar upasana also with samashti bhavana. Anyone, many people may do Ishwar upasana bhakti, but if it is eka rupa, that is not the phalam then. Eka rupa upasana phalam is you will get shuddhi. But when samashti rupa upasana is done, then this phalam they will have. So, tena saha spardha na kartavya iti bhavaha. Iti adhyatmam ityasya anarthakyam iti ashankya. Iti adhyatmam, it is said in the mantra, iti evam uktam adhyatmam pranatma darshanam iti ukta upasamharo adhidaivata pradarshanaartha. This upasamhara is for adhidaiva pradarshana. Adhidaivata pradarshanaartha. 9 number tippani says prakarana vichhedartha. So this upasamhara part is adhidaiva, but all the earlier part was adhyatma. Right? How do we say adhyatma? Because each indriya said, I will go on talking. The Vag indriya said, I will go on talking. Shrotra indriya said, I will go on listening. Chakshur indriya said, I will go on seeing. So all those are at the level of adhyatma. This phalam, where what is the phalam for this prana upasaka, that part is adhidaiva, but everything else is adhyatma. So that is said further in Tika also in the next one. So with this 20, हाँ, अधिदैवत प्रदर्शनार्थ 21 इज कंप्लीट. अध्यात्म दर्शनम उक्त्वा अधिदैवत दर्शनम वक्तुम अनंतर वाक्यम अवतारयति. So Anand Giriji says Adhyatma Darshanam Uktva means Adhyatma Darshanam was there in the previous mantra 21. 22 is going to talk about Adhidaivata Darshanam. Tad Vaktum Anantar Vakyam Avatarayati. Atha Siddhi Mantra Atha Adhidaivatam ज्वलिष्यामि एव अहम इत्यग्निर्दद्रे तपस्याम्यहम इत्यादित्यो भास्याम्यहम इति चंद्रमा एवं अन्या देवता यथा दैवतम स यथैषां प्राणानां मध्यमः प्राण एवं एतासां देवतानां वायुर्म्लोचन्ति यन्या देवता न वायुः सैषा अनस्तमिता देवता यद वायुः. So just as Indriya said in the previous mantra, devatas are saying in this mantra. What? Athadi Devatam. Agni said, Jwalishyami eva aham. I will go on burning without getting tired. Iti Agnir Dadre. Agni took this vrata dharanam, Dadre. Tapasyami aham iti Adityo. Aditya said, I will go on burning. Burning or heating. Tapami. Tapasyami aham iti Adityo. Dadre. Vratam Dadre. Bhasyami aham iti Chandramaha. Chandramaha. Visarga lopa. Chandrama said, I will go on shining. Evam Anyah Devata also. All the other devatas also respectively. Yatha Daivatam. Daivatam Anuswara. Yatha Daivatam. Daivatam Anatikramya. Swam Swam Vyaparam Anatikramya. स यथा येषां प्राणानां मध्यमः प्राण एवं एतासां देवतानां वायुः. Just as among the Indriyas, prananam madhyamaha prana means the mukhya prana, which is madhyama because it is within the sharira. In the same way, evam etasam devatanam, among these devatas, there is vayu, means samashti prana, samashti vayu. Mlochanti, mluchu gatau, gatyarthaka dhatu. Lochanti, so its gati is there all the time. Lochanti hi anya devata na vayuhu. So here Lochanti is to be taken in the meaning of astam gacchati. The next mantra is going to give in dhatu is gatyarthaka only, huh? Mluchu gatau or mlunchu gatau, both are gatyarthaka. Bhavadigana dhatu. So other devatas, they get exhausted. Their end happens. Like Agni goes away. Surya, in one place we stop seeing. Somebody may say, here you don't see, but Surya doesn't go away. That is true, but here because it is Prana Upasana, we have to sing glory of Prana. So then others are not given that importance. न वायुः लोचन्ति सैषा अनस्तमिता देवता यद्वायु. सा एषा अनस्तमिता देवता, the one whose astam is not there, that is vayu. भाष्य अथानन्तरम् अधिदैवतं देवता विषयं दर्शनम् उच्यते. अथानन्तरम् अधिदैवतम् उच्यते देवता विषयम्. टीका तर्हि ज्वलिष्यामि इत्यादि किमर्थम् इति आशंका है. ज्वलिष्यामि, दिस इज फॉर व्हाट, किमर्थम्, कस्य देवता विशेषस्य व्रत धारणम. सो हु सेड ज्वलिष्यामि, आई विल गो ऑन बर्निंग, व्रत धारणम श्रेयः इति मीमांस्यते. सो नाउ दी मीमांसा इज among all devatas whose vratam is श्रेयः, श्रेष्ठ. कस्य व्रत धारणम श्रेयः इति मीमांस्यते. वदिष्यामि इत्यादा उक्तम व्याख्यानम इहापि द्रष्टव्यम इत्याह. So like how vadishyami, Tikakar says lot of things were already given there, so none of that is elaborated here. Even in bhashya is very sankshipta, because whatever applies for adhidaiva, adhyatma has to be applied for adhidaiva. See in bhashya adhyatmavat sarvam ज्वलिष्यामि एव aham iti agnir. Everything just like how it was in Adhyatma. Agni said, Jalishyami eva aham. Tapasyami aham iti adityaha. Bhasyami aham iti chandramaha. Evam anya devata yatha daivatam. Like this, all devatas they said. Tika. Yatha daivatam swam swam devata vyaparam anatikramya. Anya devata vidyud adya dadrire vratam ityartha. Yatha, this is avyay bhava samasa. Whenever you have yatha, so like if it is said yatha shrutam, so samasa vigraha will be shrutam anatikramya. Like that in tika vigraha is given. Yatha daivatam swam swam devata vyaparam anatikramya. Without transgressing their individual vyapara, each devata vyapara. Anya devata, like Vidyut Adi, they also took the vratam. Sa yatha ityadi vyachaste. Then sa yatha, this vayu. So adhyatmam vagadinam esham prananam madhye madhyama prano mrutyuna anaptah swakarmano na pratyavitah swena pranavratena abhagna vrato. So adhyatmam prana, that adhyatma prana, who is that or what is that? Vagadinam esham prananam madhye madhyama prana. Among all the pranas, this is the madhyama prana or mukhya prana. Madhyama prana because mantra says madhyama prana. Mrutyuna anaptaha. Mrityu did not take over this prana. Swakarmano na pratyavitaha. By its own karma, it did not deviate. It did not falter. Swena pranavratena abhagnavratah. Abhagnavratah, abhagnam vratam yasya pranasya sa pranaha abhagnavratah. यथा एवं एतासाम अग्न्यादीनां देवतानां वायुः अपि. Just like how it was there in Adhyatma, so it is in Adhidaiva, this Vayu, among all the other devatas. So you can see when this Vayu, Indra, Agni, all devatas are there. When they want to do Indra Prashansa, then Indra, like in Kenopanishad, Indra will be given importance. Here, Vayu is given importance. Somewhere else, Agni might get importance. When Karma Kanda Prasanga, something will come. Agni will be Mukhya then. टीका. वायुरपि मृत्युना अनाप्तः स्वकर्मणो न प्रत्यावितः स्वेन वायुव्रतेन अभग्नव्रतः इति शेषः. Vayu also, Vayu api mrityuna anaptah, was not overpowered by mrityu. Swakarmanah na pratyavitah. Swakarmanah, what is the vibhakti?
Panchami.
Panchami. Na pratyavitah. Swena vayu vratena abhagna vratah. In va rakar, that ra is missing. Vrata. Is there in your book or not? Mark. Abhagna vrata vra. Iti shesha. This is there. Second last line in Tika of 22. Vayu vratena abhagna vrata iti shesha. Tadeva sadhayati mlochanti iti. Mlochanti astam yanti. Mlochanti, artha is given as astam gachanti. Astam yanti. Swakarmabhya uparamante. Yatha adhyatmam vagadayo anya devata. Vagadayo anya devata. Swakarmabhya uparamante. They withdraw after some time out of exhaustion. Anya devata agnyadya na vayuhu astam yati. But Vayu doesn't attain the asta. Yatha madhyamaha prano. Just like madhyama prana continues. Ataha saisha anastamita devata yad vayur yoyam vayu. Yad vayu means yo ayam vayu. That devata is anastamita. Avinashi vrata. So this is the samarthya of Avinashi vratam. If any vratam, if we take and if we follow properly, we will get samarthya. That samarthya we should use for our sadhana. That samarthya we should not use for spardha. Samarthya we should not use to put somebody down. Samarthya should be for my own sadhana chatushtaya. Otherwise, that punya, that whatever we are getting, we are using it for very insignificant purpose. It is like you have a lot of money and you are wasting it for some useless things. So that's why this punya that we get from sadhana, without saying anything negative, without thinking anything negative, if we go on pursuing our path, that punya will help us a lot. Anyway, we have very little punya. And if we go on using for other purposes, then we will not have where we really need it. For pratibandha nivritti, etc., where we need this, then obstacles will keep coming. Brahmanoktam artham upasamharati. Now, this is Brahmana bhaga that is going on. That artha upasamhara is done. Evam adhyatmam अधिदैवं च मीमांसित्वा निर्धारितं प्राणवायवात्मनोः व्रतम अभग्नम इति. So adhyatma and adidaiva mimamsa is done. What is the conclusion? Nirdharanam prana vayuvatmanoho vratam abhagnam. Prana and vayu atma means their vratam is abhagnam, unobstructed, undestroyed, indestructible vratam they had. Further, brahmanyartha dardhyartham mantram avatarya vyakaroti. So this brahmana bhag is going on. Now in that some mantra, and then earlier also we saw how mantra then brahmana, its vyakhya, then mantra, then brahmana. This mantra is also like that. Next one. In bhashya, atha etasyeva arthasya prakashaka esha shloko mantro bhavati. Etasya arthasya prakashaka shloko. Shloka means mantro bhavati. So tadev, whenever in Upanishad, if it is said tadapyasha shloko bhavati, it is another mantra, like in Taittiriya Upanishad, etc. See the next mantra. अथैष श्लोको भवति यतश्चोदेति सूर्यो अस्तं यत्र च गच्छति इति प्राणाद्वा एष उदेति प्राणे अस्तमेति तं देवाश्चक्रिरे धर्मं स एवाद्य स उष्वः इति यद्वा एते अमूर्हि अद्रियन्त तदेव अप्यद्य कुर्वन्ति तदेवाप्यद्य कुर्वन्ति तस्माद् एकमेव व्रतं चरेत् प्राण्याच्चैवापान्याच्च नेन्मा पाप्मा मृत्युराप्नुवत् इति यद्युचरेत् समापिपैषेत् तेनो एतस्यै देवतायै सायुज्यं सलोकतां जयति. अथ एष श्लोको भवति. This is the shloka. Shloka means mantra. So the mantra bhag is starting now. Yataschodeti suryo astam yatra cha gacchati iti. Up to gacchati is the mantra bhag. Yatasho, in Kathopanishad, similar mantra is there. Yataschodeti suryo astam yatra cha gacchati. Then second part is there. So then Brahmana bhag begins. Pranadva esha udeti. Prane astameti. एषः एषः कः? सूर्यः. एषः सूर्यः प्राणात् वा उदेति. सूर्य rises from prana and astameti in prana. Prane astameti. Up to iti is the Brahmana bhaga. Then tam deva sarve arpitaha tadu nanyeti nantyeti kaschana. Right? That is how. But that is how it is in Katha. But here it is different. Tan devas chakrire dharmam sa evadya sa ushvaha iti. Up to iti is mantra, then again Brahmana bhag. But in that Kathopanishad bhashya, I remember, if somebody has bhashya, then they can see. Question is raised there. Yataschodeti suryaha astam yatra cha gacchati. What is that? Atma. So Purva Paksha has raised a question that elsewhere you are saying it is prana, and here you are saying it is Atma. I think that question is raised there. I vaguely remember, but you can see that if it is there. Then Bhashyakar says here Prakarana is Atma. There, if Prana Prakarana is there, then Prana will be mentioned. Yataha is Sarvanama Shabda. Whatever Nama is there, based on that Sarvanama Artha you have to take. Tan devaha chakrire dharmam. Tam प्राणम देवाः धर्मम चक्रिरे. So devatas created this dharma. Dharmam sa eva adya sa ushva iti. Means devatas have taken this dharma, and that dharma alone is there. It was there, it is there, it will be there later also. What? But what is in Purva Paksha? I thought there, huh? There is no question in that. Hmm? After that? After that? That's it. Okay. So somewhere, I don't know, somehow in my buddhi that question is there. But such question, even if it comes, let us say it is not raised there, but if it comes that why there you say Atma, here you say Prana, is Prakaranat. Yadva ete amurhi. Amurhi is Avyaya Shabda. Amurhi. Amurhi means at that time, us samay. Adriyanta tadeva api adya kurvanti. Whatever vratam that they had taken at that time, these devatas, then now also they are able to follow. Tasmat ekam eva vratam chare. Therefore, take only one vratam. Pranyacha eva apanyacha. Prananam and apanam. Prana apana. Do this vratam. Pranayama parayana. That is yajna. Nenma papma mrutyuhu apnuvat iti. Na inma papma mrutyuhu apnuvat. So, ma means mam. In, we will have to see what is that shabda. Let's finish the rest of the mantra. Mrutyuhu apnuvat. May the mrutyu rupi papma not pervade me, not swallow me. Iti yad ucharet samapi paishet. The one who does this vratam in this way and completes it also, samapi paishet, teno etasyai, tena u etasyai devatayai sayujyam salokatam jayati. Then, along with this prana devata or hiranyagarbha devata, he will attain sayujya as well as salokatam, both kinds of mukti. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.